You know, I went to Vietnam in 1968, and I really thought I was going to do a great thing for my country. And I did enjoy my time in Vietnam. It was different experience. I served with VMFA 314, and it was the highest decorated Marine squadron in Vietnam. Being a great American that I am, I wanted to support my country and do the things that they asked me to do. So I went to Vietnam and I served, and I was lucky enough to serve with Lieutenant Colonel Frank Peterson. He was the highest ranking black man in the Marine Corps at the time, and it was just a great experience of my life.